Hey guys, this is right before I'm getting ready to go to work. Having to do a quick garden tour for you guys. It's not the best, but it's a work in progress. This pot had 3 types of collards in it. It had the vates, they didn't make it, and the Georgia Southern, they didn't make it. Looked like Champion won. So the Champion is still growing. We're gonna see if it gets there. These are boiler onions from the grocery store. Need that, yep. Private selection, Kroger. And I use them like as green onions. I do I think this is a marigold, so that is growing. This one, I don't know. It might not make it. This was supposed to be my spinach bowl, but it looked like it's bolting. It's going to flower. This is too warm for it. So we will see. And I believe these are kale coming up. So we shall see. If they bolt, I'll pull them and plant something else in there. This is the lettuce bowl. Not many germinated. I also threw some, I think, Swiss chard in there. I believe that's the Swiss chard. Not sure, but we're gonna see if that grows as well. If that don't make it, then we'll throw something else in there. These are the beans I got from Earth Galore. They were having a bit of transplanting, shock, or just shock overall, because they've been moved and not really hardened off correctly. So I did what I could to revive them, and we'll see if they give me some beans. This is my lemon boy. I had to bury it because it was gone too. It was leaving me. But we'll see. The leaves are still green. We're gonna see if it grows like it's supposed to. And beside it was my zinnia. Though I had 2 and both of them started wilting. So we shall see. Here's the other zinnia. I don't know what happened. Probably shocked and just wasn't ready to come outside. This is the purple basil that was drooping too, but it looked like it's coming back. And that is a cherry tomato that was drooping, but it's coming. It's getting acquainted with its soil. This is another basil. It was kind of gone down too, but it's reviving itself. So we shall see. I'm going to number these pots so it'll be easy to keep up with. This is my radish. So I got 2 types. I got them. I'm going to put it on the screen, but these are the longer ones in this row. There was supposed to be one over there. And these are the cherry type, the round ones. And we shall see what happened to the radishes. I'm excited. This is one of the lettuce that I got from Earth Galore. I kind of cut them back to see if they will grow back. So right now that looks just like that. That's the flat parsley. It was yellowing, so I took the yellow ones off. Kind of watered really good. And I did fertilize. The same with this one. It's the curly parsley. I believe this is a bok choy, pak choy. If you know what they look like, comment below. Tell me what that is. And here's another one. I don't think that's gonna make it. Here's another lettuce. You'll see if it grows. This is a zinnia. I don't know. We'll see. This is a strawberry I got from Herbs Galore. This one did good. And these are the strawberries I got from Kroger. Now, I'm going to show you a picture of what they look like. And I was like, oh Lord, what did I do? But they just needed to get acquainted with their new soil, and they needed a feeding. This is Bonnie plant. So once I fed them, took away the leaves that were bad, they perked up. So I put an onion in here and it's growing. So that's neat. I just wanted to see if it would grow in here. And ladies and gentlemen, that is my garden tour. It's not a lot. Stuff is still growing. Oh, wait one moment. So I still have seedlings growing, and I up-potted them. These are my zinnias. I have a lot of zinnias. That's a sweet potato that I'm experimenting on. That's a marigold. I believe that's another bok choy, pak choy. That is it's going to show you in a minute. That's my black cherry tomato. I have up-potted that. Another zinnia. Brought a friend over. I don't know what that is. Another zinnia. So I got this from Herbs Galore, pickling cucumber. I had 3 of them. And that's a shishito pepper there. And I'm picking something else up, which is, sorry for the angle, I believe that's another shishito pepper. And this is my Queen of the Night tomato. I have a lot of tomatoes. It right there at the front, that is zucchini. I didn't mark the pots, but that is a zucchini. That's what it looked like before I cut that off, and we have that. So it's getting better. Another shishito pepper. I have a lot of shishito peppers. Cucumber. I think I showed everything on this row. And he talks back to me. This is another zinnia. I have a lot of those. This is the Queen of the Night. So we're going to see what happens if it grows a little bigger. So these are my inside of the house plant babies. Well, some of them are mine. Some of them are my mother's, but I help her take care of them. I'm not going to go through the names. I'm just going to show what's in the video. Y'all can enjoy it with the music. That is a money tree. I'll tell you that. That's a money tree right there. But I'm not sure the name of all the rest of them, so I'm not going to even attempt to try to pronounce it. Just know I am growing them and trying to keep them alive, my inside plant babies. So that is it. That is the end of the garden tour. Stay tuned for updates and growth in the garden. Until next time, let's sow and grow with purpose. See ya.